Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the Mountain Dew Zero Sugar. So Mountain Dew is one of my favorite drinks. It is a unique taste. It's hard to describe what a Mountain Dew really tastes like. It's kind of like a lemon lime citrusy grapefruit that's different than 7-Up and Sprite. I'm going to get into this here and share my thoughts on this amazing drink. Here we are. 0 calories, 0.1 gram of protein. So if you have enough of this, it's protein. Just kidding, don't do that. And there is caffeine in this. There's 50 milligrams per 355 milliliter. I didn't realize there's caffeine in it whenever I got it, but yeah, I was drinking them late at night and it kept me up. So Mountain Dew, spelled MTN Dew, supposed to be similar in taste to kind of like a Sprite or 7-Up, but it's got less bite than those drinks and more sweetness. So it's unique. If you ever had orange pop or grape soda, those have like a strong fruity taste. Imagine that applied to like a lemon lime citrus grapefruit. That's what you get with Mountain Dew. Now, Sprite and 7-Up are both a lemon lime soda, but they have more bite and less sweetness, I guess is the way to put it. They're like crisp and strong, but they don't have that same sweetness that the Mountain Dew has, where it tastes like lemon lime. Sprite and 7-Up have that slight taste of lemon lime, but it's mostly like the bitterness and the strength in the drink, whereas this one's just sweet. So that's the biggest difference between them. The Mountain Dew Zero Sugar tastes a little bit different than the Diet Mountain Dew that was around. I don't know if you can still get Diet Mountain Dew. I think this replaced it, but they were somewhat similar, but this one tastes like actual Mountain Dew, whereas the Diet Mountain Dew had a little bit of an off taste. So this one's like the definitive edition of Mountain Dew, as it doesn't have sugar and it tastes like the original. So I think that's really good. And it's got a slightly yellow color to it. I don't know if you can see it on the rim there, but yeah, it's nice. 7-Up and Sprite are both clear, so this is another difference between them. Very fresh. It's citrusy. If you ever had a white Monster Zero, their Monster Zero Ultra, it's kind of like that, but more lemon lime. And obviously not as good as the Monster, but it's still very, very good. So I would give the Mountain Dew Zero Sugar a 9 out of 10. I really like this drink. I have it often. It's hard to find sometimes, but whenever I see it, I buy it because it is good. And it helps me with reducing my sugar cravings because it's very sweet without having any sugar in it. So I think that's amazing. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.